I don't hear anyone, so I'm just gonna walk. More. Okay, stop.
We got a shit ton of chocolate to set my head in an egg. Oh, that's great. That's really nice. Wow, that's a lot, Rogan.
Thank you.
I asked for stacks. It's fine, we broke. This is what you get, and we're gonna set my head in chocolate. Welcome back to the chocolate house. Today we're going to show you how to make our chocolate helmet with this chocolate. This is my assistant who's going to be helping me. What is your name? Anyway, let's go!
So I decided to make an egg that was 26 centimeters in length and 23 centimeters in width so that it would fit comfortably around my head.
We want the chocolate to be nice and smooth. We don't want any burning. We don't want any smoke happening. None of that. Hey! What the fuck is going on? You're disgusting! When your assistant fucks it up, like they did just now, you get a pot, you get water, you boil the water, you put a glass ting on it, and then you add fucking chocolate, mate. I'm so keen to get this fucking done.
Code.
Oh, that's gonna set so nicely. Oh, it looks so sick already. Look at it, look at it. I don't know how we're gonna get this out of the mold though.
Look at how much there is in there.
Bro, that's one bar and it's covering half the mold.
Jeez.
Oh, so fucking
That is so smooth.
shit. We should really like legit become chocolate. Look how fucking smooth
That
is,
looks so
boy.
good. Yeah.
Oh, look at that fucking, no, yeah, man, oh, fucking, you don't know me. I'm so excited. I really hope it sets and then I can wear it as a helmet because I really want this product. It doesn't actually look like a lot of chocolate at all. Like, check here, this
really
will
doesn't.
fill like a whole mold.
Great, made it.
Look how flippin' smooth that looks. It's only been like 10 minutes since we put this in the freezer.
I'm surprised how well it worked. You know, there were so many like things we were so worried about and that we thought would
Yeah.
fail. And you
Let's
know
just
what?
hope like with the actual mold when we get it out it doesn't fuck up.
Touch wood. You got wood right there. Different wood that we're thinking of. I was thinking about that wood right.
Ah, see this wood. Hey, we're gonna put this in the freezer just to let it set a bit and then we're gonna put one more layer on. Day 3 on the job, third batch, few casualties but nothing too crazy. Oh, let's see this flippin' thing, boy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks so saucy. Rogan, this looks flippin' awesome, bro. What are you doing? I've told you, stop eating that fucking chocolate. Come on, bro, you're so much better than that. Like, really?
You're good
Look at
at
that
spoon.
elegant spoon work right there, mate.
I could tell you with the spoon.
I like being small spoon. If you don't like being small spoon, there's something wrong with you. That's all I'm saying. Oh, you're trying to get the top piece.
Oh my god, it's
Oh fuck, is it coming? The whole mold itself is coming off.
it's literally slipping out.
Well, that solves that fucking problem. Guys, so we've got the first mold setting in the fridge. And now we're on to the second mold. So this one, the reason I cut a hole here, because this hole perfectly fits around my head. So this is going to be like, go on my head like a helmet. Obviously it'll be chocolate. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the chocolate around the edges here. And then this middle piece here is to just catch all the chocolate so it doesn't like get fucked. Oh yeah. We set the mold overnight and now we're going to take the chocolate out of the mold and see how well it's set.
God, we're gonna have to do. Okay.
Oh, it looks so
Holy
fucking
shit.
cool.
Yeah,
How
no.
sick that looks.
That looks so
That
well
looks
done.
fucking cool.
Oh god.
Oh, slipped out so well.
Jesus.
Actually
Yeah,
looks so
it actually has some of the patterns from the ball actually.
So what we're going to do here is put it over like that and set it, and then once it's set then I can fucking
Put
toy
it on
this thing
there.
on my head. We're going to crack out the inside here. All I need to do now is coil this off here, but I'm going to break this off. Okay, so I'm just breaking off all the like loose pieces because I don't want to put it on and then the whole thing gets fucked.
Look at that face of focus. Oh no! That's Oh, fuck.
Okay, well, this broke here. So I don't know how the fuck this is gonna work. So it's gonna go like this. And then we're gonna set it in this one here. Be so fucking delicate with this. Okay, so it's gonna like go like there.
Oh god, grab the whole crack piece.
Yeah, got
god,
it. And
thank you.
it's gonna set like this. That's the plan, boys. So let's get fucking to it. So this is gonna get melted down again. I'm gonna put the paste around the diameter of the egg. And then it'll set like that. And then we're gonna try fill these gaps here. Oh, it's so sweet. I'm gonna melt this, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, it's ready. Look at this thing. We made this from scratch, completely. These bars and this flippin' mold. Okay, I'm gonna put it on.
Okay, put it on.
I'm nervous. I hope that's not gonna work. It's fragile as fuck. It's so slippery. Shit. What if it...
Just go, Brad. Don't overthink it. Fucking A!
This is fucking sick.
It looks sick, I'm not gonna lie.
I can't see shit. It's so cold in this thing. It's so nice. It tastes so nice inside here.
Brad, what are you doing?
I'm outside.
What are you doing?
Ah, what is this?
It's the gate.
Yeah, but I want to go
Come by, follow my voice, you twat.
this way.
Yeah.
I don't want to get shocked by that thing.
No, you're not.
Are you behind me?
In front of you. Brad, get back here, man.
This is the durability test for the hat. Just trying to see if it'll melt, but it's doing a fucking good job now. How fucking close are you? Okay, let's fuck off. Oh, this is going really well. What I'm wanting to do is I want to go get like clothes because these fucking clothes are getting chocolate everywhere. Oh, I can't see shit. Don't know what I'm doing. Are you going to direct me?
Okay, straight. Okay, good. Touch the glass next to you. There you go.
Oh my god, this is so difficult. Okay, where?
Keep going. Keep going straight.
I feel like someone's in front of me.
No, no.
Are you going to help me look for something to wear?
Yeah, I'll find you a good shirt.
Okay, where's the door?
Just keep going. You'll find the door.
Am I here?
Yeah, we're in here. We're here.
Okay, do you want to guide me? I can't see anything.
Okay, walk straight. Okay, hold my hand actually. Okay, let's find a good shirt for you to wear. I think this is a good shirt. It's a very nice
This
shirt.
doesn't feel like a shirt.
It's a shirt.
This is a fucking short shirt.
Getting pants for him as well.
Nah, he'll be fine.
Wait, yeah, maybe
Actually,
I should get pants.
yeah,
That's
maybe
a
we
good
should
idea.
get pants.
Where?
Yeah, you just keep standing, brother.
I need someone to go with the shirt.
Yeah, there you go. That's a good pair of pants.
Can I walk?
Yeah, you can walk. Just walk straight. That's your pair of pants, brother.
Where do I pay?
Come forward.
I'm scared. I don't want to walk.
Just walk forward. Walk forward. You're fine.
Wait, I
You
can
won't.
see a bit of the floor. How much longer? Yes, see where?
Just keep straight. You'll be fine.
Go forward.
Okay.
Forward. 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 There.
Oh, yeah! Ladies, please. Am I gonna
Just
walk?
walk. Just walk. Keep
Okay.
going forward. You'll be fine.
Left, right, straight.
Just keep going forward. You're fine.
I fucking
You're fine,
hate
you're
this.
fine.
I can't. Eh?
You're fine. Just walk.
I know there's a glass.
No,
thing
there's
there.
nothing. You're fine. You're already turned
the
without-
gym's there.
You're already turned without realizing.
Hello. I'm actually trying to find my way back to the car, if I'm being honest with you. Okay, well, this is a vision test for the helmet. And I'd give it like a 0 out of 10. Should I run?
No, you should not. Brad, you know there's like an actual real nice bag there. You know, it's a nice little bag.
I know there was something here. This is fucking difficult, Nate. Oh,
Yeah, it's chocolate. Okay, can you take it?
bite. Take a piece. I don't want to touch anyone. It'd be like a creep.
Do you want a piece? Brad, do you want to give
Who
him a
wants
piece
a
of
piece?
chocolate? Just
Yeah.
don't go. There you go.
It's nice. We're such good chocolatiers. 2 people have asked us for chocolate now. Like, yeah, trolley.
We're almost there. You're gonna hit a wall, by the way.
That stinks. That stinks. I'm just gonna do this.
Yeah. Do you want to say, Brad?
Do you want to try a piece?
Do you want to? Scaring him's not gonna work. I promise you.
I don't hear anyone, so I'm just gonna walk.
I promise you, people will let you know if you're gonna hit them.
Oh, I feel the exit. Right, time for the fucking walk home, Nate. What's here?
Nothing.
Is there a car?
No. Okay, the car came as you looked up. Okay, it wasn't there before.
Am I in a main road? God, man, I didn't realize how fucking difficult this would be. What the fuck? This was a very bad idea. Well, that went great. Well, I guess I can ride now. Do you think I'll fit? I'm so dumb. All the sticky parts are in the middle here. This might be the first DIY project that I do that actually works.